Welcome back to Car Reviews, your trusted source for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest pickup trucks to hit the road in 2025, the Iron Stallion. A name that perfectly captures the strength, elegance, and unstoppable presence of this beast. Right off the bat, the Iron Stallion 2025 demands attention. Finished in a deep, glossy red, this pickup truck isn't just built to perform, it's built to turn heads. Its aggressive front grille, sculpted LED headlamps, and chiseled hood lines give it a muscular, dominating stance. Whether it's parked in a luxury showroom or powering through a rugged trail, this truck owns the space around it. Under the hood, the Iron Stallion is powered by a robust V8 engine delivering over 450 horsepower. For those who prefer efficiency without sacrificing power, a hybrid variant is also available. Both options come with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, offering buttery-smooth gear shifts and impressive fuel economy for its class. The suspension has been upgraded with adaptive terrain management, making the Iron Stallion equally capable in city traffic or off-road adventures. With over 12 inches of ground clearance, heavy-duty all-terrain tires, and intelligent 4x4 tech, there's nowhere this machine can't go. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a truck interior. Premium leather seats with heating and cooling options, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the driving experience. The dashboard is dominated by a 15-inch curved touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation and climate to entertainment and vehicle settings. Connectivity is a major win here. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the 20-speaker surround sound system is tuned to perfection for music lovers and audiophiles. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and even a 110 volts outlet in the bed make this truck as practical as it is plush. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The Iron Stallion 2025 includes advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system with AI object detection. It even has trailer assist for those heavy-duty hauls. The rear cargo bed comes with modular storage, built-in power outlets, and a smart tailgate that opens in multiple directions, perfect for work or weekend getaways. You also get up to 10,000 pounds of towing capacity, making this pickup not just a beauty, but a true workhorse. In a market full of lookalikes, the Iron Stallion 2025 stands tall, bold, refined, and unapologetically powerful. It's the kind of truck that doesn't just get you from point A to B, it commands respect every mile of the way. If you're someone who wants style, performance, and luxury in one unstoppable package, the Iron Stallion 2025 might just be your next perfect ride. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Reviews for more in-depth looks at the newest beasts on the road.